legit work from home jobs. If you're looking for a job, you want to stay at home, this is the video that you need to watch. This is your first time here. Welcome. My name is Andre. And on this channel, I'll talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can help you so you can use these things that I present here on this channel to help you as much as possible. My mission is to help at least one person a day to financial freedom, or to find a work from home job, or start an affiliate marketing, whatever it is that you're looking for. So if you're brand new, let me know in the comments. You could type in work from home. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always good to have my loyal supporters. Thank you for keep supporting this video so I can create beautiful videos and content to share with you. So legit work from home jobs. I'm going to dive into things right away, and I'm just going to share with you how it all works. So this is my YouTube channel. If you're brand new here, this is my channel, and I have a lot of different videos. I got videos where people who want to make money worldwide, US, Canada, anywhere around the world, just come through here. I'm sure you can find something that is going to fit you. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family if you're brand new. So the website that I'm going to be talking about today is a website that is called belaysolutions.com. Belaysolutions.com. And this website, they do part-time or full-time virtual assistant jobs that you can do from anywhere. Anywhere. They're hiring now. They got jobs. You can click on where it says jobs, or you could just scroll down and see exactly what they have to offer. So this is a service that they're looking for. So tired of your commute, need work/life balance, want to be freed from your cubicle, because let's be honest, getting up every morning, driving to work, or taking a bus, taking a train, and just to commute from your house to work. Some people work an hour away, some people 20 minutes, some people even 2-3 hours away. It takes them 3 hours to get to work and then back. So this will be perfect for, the ideal family. If you want to start something, this is a great way how you can start something virtual, start something from home, use your talents, right? Had enough office drama. Oh man, too much office drama. So your next job can happen at home. Finding a job in today's world should be easier than ever. Absolutely. It's 2019 going on 2020, right? So being at home, staying at home, work at home jobs, there are so many people these days. They would rather open up online and then hire people working from home, because it doesn't cost them any overhead. They don't have to worry about huge bills. They don't have to worry about office space. So they get more done. They make way more money, and everybody's happy. So if you scroll through here, we support our clients with executive assistants. There's bookkeepers. There's web specialists. That is pretty cool. So you can view positions. Once you click on view positions, they have contractor jobs, and then they have corporate team jobs. Now, corporate is definitely, you have to go to the office. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, that's not what you're looking for. But let's, per se, for example, if you're in the Atlanta, Georgia area, you can go in office because that's where their office is located. But for the contractor jobs, a virtual assistant or virtual bookkeeper. So virtual assistant want to enjoy a flexibility of working from home with leading virtual provider in the US, right? So if you click on here, let me click on the virtual assistant. So these are contractor jobs. You can click on start your application, but you always want to read first. Read first before you sign up. So the virtual assistant, this is some of the things that they're looking for. Essential functions, responsibility, maintain executives appointment calendar, email management and organization, prepare presentation and spreadsheets. Wow, social media management. So that's pretty cool. Event planning and coordination, project assistance, and coordination. So key attributes, this is what they're looking for: trustworthy, reliable, friendly and professional communicator. So they want to hire someone who is very professional, someone who's not going to talk bad about the client. If something should have happened, you get all angry in your email and you start to just bash that specific company. You do not, I mean, the client. You don't want to do that. You always want to work in these space as if it was your company, because if you treat them good, who knows, you probably get promoted inside of the company. Or for example, if something should have happened and you get let go, you can go and get a good resume or recommendation, I should say. So for this, they're looking for bachelor's degree, experience working remotely, preferred availability Monday through Friday. So this one, they're looking for 20 hours per week, at least 5 years experience in an administrative support role. So that's what they're looking for. 1099 and you're ready to go. So it's a contracted job. You got to fill out your own 1099. You got to do your own taxes. So if you make money, always put money to the side. You always want to do that, because when Uncle Sam comes for his money, you better be ready. So I'm going to go back and see what so this was virtual assistant. Let's check out the virtual bookkeeper. So virtual bookkeeper, same thing, looking for a remote position where you can service your clients in this dispensable partner, right? So come through here, read through it. Accounts receiving, aging weekly, accounts payable, aging weekly, monthly, balance sheet. Oh, this is some proper things you're doing. So this is, I can't imagine yet. They're looking for a bachelor's degree in business, accounting, financing, or related field, preferred at least 5 years prior to accounting. So if you already have a job and you have some experience, and if you have a Mac or a PC, you're ready to go. Make sure you have a webcam, fast internet access, smartphone with email capabilities, because they're looking to, I don't know what the pay is, but I can assume you're probably going to get anywhere from like $18 to $20 with this type of job. So this is what, once you pull it up, oh, that's pretty cool. They're asking you if you ever convict any felony. Interesting. So they want to make sure they, hire the right people for their business, which every business does. They want to make sure that you're not hiring like bad people for the job. So come through here, check it out, see what, if you can find a job, and sign up for it right away. So these are some, I should say, this is a legit work from home job that you can do right away. So sign up, see if it works. Just wanted to just shoot this quick video. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.